I love using up leftovers, and Christmas is a great time for that. I'm going to give that leftover turkey a tangy transformation with this sweet and sour turkey. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I'm going to give that leftover turkey a light, crispy coating and toss it all together with a classic sweet and sour sauce with loads of crunchy peppers and onions. I've got about 400 grams of leftover turkey here, it's about 14 ounces, and I've cut it into chunks. And we're going to start by coating that turkey. Add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper to the turkey and toss together to coat. Now heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil over a high heat in a wok or a large frying pan. Add the turkey and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, turning occasionally until that turkey is golden and crispy. Now remove the turkey from the wok using a slotted spoon and place in a bowl lined with kitchen paper to drain off any excess oil. Now it's time to make the sweet and sour sauce. You'll need about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in your pan. If you haven't got enough left over from frying the turkey, just top it up with a little bit more. Heat the oil up on a medium to high heat and add in 1 large onion that's been chopped into chunks. Cook the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring every now and then. Then add a roughly chopped red and green pepper to the pan and cook for a further minute. We only want to cook them for about a minute so they retain that lovely crunch. Add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of minced ginger and cook for another minute. Now for the sauce ingredients. We're going to be using quite a lot of tomato ketchup, which sounds a little bit strange, but trust me, it really works. It's the perfect base for a tangy sweet and sour sauce. So add 150 ml, which is about 2/3 of a cup of tomato ketchup to the pan. Then add in 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar, 6 tablespoons of dark brown muscovado sugar, and the juice and fruit of a 435 gram, which is a little over 15 ounce tin of pineapple. Stir it all together and bring to the boil, and then turn the heat right down to a gentle bubble. You want to stir the sauce a few times until the sauce is slightly thickened, which should only take a few minutes. Add the crispy turkey back to the pan with the sauce and cook for a further 2 minutes, stirring a couple of times to coat the turkey in the sauce. Serve with boiled or fried rice and a sprinkling of sesame seeds. And there you go, a fantastic way to use up leftover turkey from your Christmas dinner. I guarantee that I'll be cooking this for my family this year. Hope you enjoyed the video and you're having a great Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone.